A very good evening to one and our friends over here. This is Sushi Suman Senapati with Ayushi Satpati and Subhadarshini Sao. Welcome you all to the ATL Marathon 2021. I am with the marathon pillar as a demography and with a problem statement innovative to bring down the unemployment in India. We are also using a special solution that is the NACRE solution. Pearl farming is one of the best aquaculture business in India, as pearl has a high demand in markets. In freshwater culture pearls, we need some basic requirements that are involved in the pearl culture activity. My first one is a shade. A shade is an open and a wide area required to perform the surgical activity. Then we need at least one pond to stock the pearl mussels. Then we need a culture unit. To stock those pearl mussels, we need a supporting materials to fix them. We can make use of the bamboo sticks, PVC pipes, etc. We also need a surgical set which involves in surgical activities. We can find the surgical set easily in Pearls Training Center and in fishery departments also. We also need furnitures like the table, the chair, by which the surgical activities can be performed by a skilled labor. For this pearl culture activity, we need to follow the certain steps or certain ideas. My first one is the farm preparation, then collecting of oyster, then seeding, then carrying of the oyster, and then harvesting. Our idea is best for the rural areas where the freshwater reservoirs are available but not in proper use. By the freshwater pearl culture, the local people will get more benefits, and the process of investment can be done by the organization related to the aquaculture. The local people can invest and get more benefits without moving from one place to another. They need to only sit in the one place for doing this pearl culture activity. Our idea mainly focuses on bringing down the unemployment in India and as well as in rural areas. At present, within pearl farming, the difficult business environment present and obstacles to promoting sustainability. The consumers demand benefits the sector provides coastal communities and ecosystem. Responsible consumer choose for pearl as jewelries rather than choosing gemstone be further encouraged. It can offer many valuable lessons for development opportunity in remote coastal communities. It also provides evidence the marine conservation can be integrated by a variable economic activity leading in sustainable long-term growth in vulnerable Pacific environment. At last, I want to conclude my project here by telling a great thank you and have a wonderful day.